What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're going to be working up with our footer section. Okay, so you have two options for footer. If you want to go ahead, you can either create it with Elementor and you can either create it with this, but I would recommend you to go with the default function of the Ocean WP. Do not go with the Elementor because you cannot assign this Elementor footer to every pages. Okay, so now here we're going to be working up with this Elementor. I'm going to go to the customize right here, and then we're going to go to the footer column. Okay, and then we're going to work with it. So let's wait. Okay, and here you can see that we basically first removed that footer when we were creating that website. If I just show it to you, itenzl.com, you can see that in this website we removed this whole footer. We didn't add any of the footer right here. You can see. Okay, so what I want to do right now, I want to add the footer right here because this is the blog and I think it is recommended for me to add a footer. So I'm just gonna come here to the footer where I can just style everything. You can see in the footer widgets I can style it. If I want to disable on hide on mobile and other devices, I can also do that. And then we have the parallax effect to your footer, so you can also add a parallax effect to your footer if you want to add. Okay, you can see how this footer is coming. This page is going above and this footer is still behind this. You can see this effect is called the parallax effect. Okay, so I'm not gonna add any of the parallax effect. I think normal looks fine. So this is how the normal works. Okay, and then you can also move on with the columns, that how many columns you want to add. So I'll be just adding the 4 column, and then we have the container. I will be adding the container, and then let's go back to the widgets right here. So here we want to add the widgets. Okay, I'm gonna go to the footer one right here. I'm gonna hit add a widget, and let's decide the widget we want to add. So first of all, I want to add the about us section. Okay, I want to go to the custom HTML or the text. Let's search for text. Okay, and here we go. This is right here. I want to add here about us. Okay, and here I want to add the about me or about this blog. Okay, so I'll be adding Bukala is the best tech blog. Sorry, tech blog is the first ever technology blog, and I just want to copy it. Copy and paste. Okay, now here I can see that here should be the content right here. You can see it says tech blog is the first ever technology blog, and here is the about us section. So I want to add one more in the footer too. Okay, I'm just gonna come here, and here should be the categories, so you can show the categories if you want to, or you can show some recent post as well. Okay, I'm gonna add the recent post right here, and here we go. You can see it's gonna also show you the number, then how many posts you want to add. Okay, and the title is going to be recent post. Recent posts, the number would be 3. It's going to show the 3 posts right here, and then we have the post. So post is going to show the post. You can also show my library. Okay, I'm going to go to the post right here, and then we have query by taxonomy. So you can also show category here. Okay, if we select category, you can see 3 categories are going to appear right here. So, and then you can enter the terms to query selected, so you can just select the terms. Okay, so if I just add iOS, it's going to show me all the posts that has the category assigned as the iOS. Okay, so you can also query it by the category. You can query it by tag. So if I just add the tag to be amazing, then it's going to show all the posts that has the category amazing, that has the text amazing. So you can see this tag is only assigned to this. That is why this post is coming. So this is how it works. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the no because I want to show the recent post. Okay, and then we have the post right here. The order is descending because I want to show the recent post. And then we have the order by date, so you can order it by randomly. You can also show some random posts. You can also show some modified posts that were recently modified, and then I'm just basically want to add the recent post right here. Okay, I'm gonna go back right here, and I want to go to the footer 3, and let's add one more. So for this, I think I should be adding the list of all the pages that that my website has. So it is going to sort by pages. You can also go with the page ID, page order, and you can see all pages. Okay, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna move to the footer right here, and in here you can add that what we say the MailChimp. Okay, display MailChimp subscription form. So it's gonna show the MailChimp subscription form right here. Okay, and here should be the newsletter. Here should be get all the list, and here would be the MailChimp action form. So we will be working with this MailChimp later on. There will be an email marketing section for this. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, and then we'll move on. So you have to input with and everything, and you can see this is how it is coming right here. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit publish right here. So you can see we're also done with the footer. We're also done with this, and now we're gonna work with this right here. So I'm gonna go back. And then I'm gonna go to the footer bottom, and here I want to add something. So copy right complete WP course.com 2017. Okay, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit publish. There we go. So if you want to add the copyright sign, what you can do, you can add end and then COPY, and then you have to enter the semicolon. Okay, and then you can remove it. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit publish. So you can see this is how our blog page is, and now we're totally done with the home page. In the next video, we'll be working up with the about page and the contact us page, because we want to make sure that our whole blog looks amazing. So thanks all guys for watching this, and goodbye.